I'm going to be making some wakame tofu salad. I found a recipe online that I'm going to try. I'm going to kind of experiment with it. Instead of using, let's try about a tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm making a sauce here. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, there we go. Let's see what the other ingredients are. About a half teaspoon of rice vinegar. Gonna have to open. I think I threw out the other rice vinegar I had. This one might be expired too, I don't know, but it hasn't been opened, so I think rice vinegar lasts a pretty long time. So I don't think I have to worry about that. Is this a half teaspoon or a full teaspoon? That's a full teaspoon, so let's do about half. I'm not sure if it's going to be any good. Oops! Oh no! It didn't. I didn't take it off. Ah! It didn't work, Lord! That's the only thing about using an old bottle. The loopy thing fell off. Okay, Jesus, help me to be clever without making a mess. Didn't work. Here, let's see if I can take it off using a knife. I need something really hard. Let me try a fork. Yeah, something really, really hard to kind of lift off so I can get the... Oh, this isn't working. Give me an idea, Lord. How do I take that off without causing a major disaster? How do I do this? Alright, let's try this. An old potato peeler. Oh, goodness, Lord. I tried to pull it off and it didn't work. It's the only problem. The problem's not the vinegar, the bottle is not any good. Oh. That's not going to work. Oh my goodness. Jesus, give me an idea. I need something really hard to get in there. This might work. Maybe. No, man, I'm having trouble. Oh, here we go. I'm taking the ring to open it. It kind of broke on me, so I'm having to here we go. Let's see if I can get it here. Whew. There we go. I got it. Oh, that took some doing. That took some doing. All right, let's get about a half teaspoon in here. Well, that'll work. I'm not even sure this is going to be any good. I'll let you know. All right, had trouble opening that bottle up. I don't have any sugar. Tablespoon toasted sesame oil. Let's go with, this is toasted sesame oil. I don't like having excessive oil, but oil does add a nice flavor to these salads, so let's go with maybe just enough for flavor. Okay. Sesame oil, mirin, tablespoon or a teaspoon sugar. Here's the mirin. We'll go with about a half tablespoon for flavor. There, that's good. Okay, ooh, that smells good though. Kind of mix it all together. All right. And chopped scallions. Approximately, let's throw in about, I didn't buy any scallions because I've got lots of frozen scallions. Let's throw in just enough to give it some flavor. I've got leftover wakame seaweed that I used to eat as medicine, and now I'm going to see if I can make it into something tasty. All right, let's go ahead and put the scallions up. All right. I'm hoping it's safe to eat because it's been out for almost a week. And I'm thinking, you know, I don't like wasting food. See, here's the wakame. It's actually this recipe is designed for kombu, but I'm going to try it with a. Smells like it's okay. All right, let's go ahead. I want to make this recipe before it's too late. Okay, let's mix all this together. This looks like it might be good. Let you all see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm kind of mixing it all together. I think I'm supposed to let the seaweed marinate in this or something. I might take a shortcut. Okay, let me see here. All right. And chopped scab, reserving 1/4 for the tofu. Oh, I got to reserve some for the tofu. Okay, let me get this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to chop up some tofu. And this is tofu that Christopher Foster got me, which I really appreciate. He's such a sweetheart. He's gotten me such nice food and stuff in the past year. Okay, all right. Now I got to go ahead and use that up. Let's reserve a little bit of this for the tofu. There, that's good. Oh, that actually looks pretty good. Yummy. I think I'm going to come up with something good here. Okay. I don't need to blanch the seaweed because it's already soaked. Drain and toss with the soy sauce dressing. Well, it's right here. Let's go ahead and add this in. Something tells me this is going to be good. I will let you know. Yeah. If so, I'm going to add it to my recipes. Okay. Let's go ahead and toss it. I figure since I kind of half the recipe because I don't have quite, I think, is the amount of seaweed that you're supposed to use for this recipe. Oh, that looks good. I'm making like a seaweed salad here. Okay, now drain and toss, marinate for at least 30 minutes. I'm going to skip that. Why? Because I want to check it out. When ready to serve, place the tofu. Okay, the tofu, 1 block of silken tofu on top of the seaweed. Don't you chop it though? And pour the rest of the dressing on top. Garnish with. I'm going to chop it. I'm going to chop my tofu. Yeah. I'll be right back. The recipe doesn't say to cube the tofu, but I think I should. I mean, that just seems common sense to me. So I'm going to do it myself. It's kind of like creating my own recipes. So let's go like this. This is wonderful tofu from Christopher Foster that he ordered for me and that I need to use up. He ordered it for me from Amazon. It's beautiful tofu. I can show you what it looks like. It's here it is. And I took it out of that box and I'm cutting it up right now. So thank you, Christopher. I'm going to make a lovely recipe with this. Let's see here. Let me get my hands off. So I got this leftover seaweed that I need to do something with, and I'm determined not to eat it as medicine because Jesus told me to quit doing that. So I'm going to try to make something delicious from it. Okay, that looks good. Yeah. Actually, I think I'm going to use this as the yeah. So, here's the tofu. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. What am I doing? I gotta chop it up more. Brain control. Yeah, it's supposed to be cubed. Oh, that Lori McBride, she's using brain control on me. She caused me to... Usually I don't mess up like this. This is brain control, man. Alright. let's go ahead. Actually, this shape may not be bad. I mean, this would work, but I really want to cube it though. Yeah, let's go like that. I could actually have some at this shape though. It's kind of like oblong, what might work. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, I'll do the rest in here. All right, that's good enough. All right, throw that in there. So, oh, yeah. Okay, so what does it say now? Drain and toss the soy sauce. Okay, so I actually put it in the refrigerator. Place the tofu on top. Oh, that's what you do. Oh, now one ingredient I'm omitting is toasted sesame seeds. I actually threw them out because they were old. They were probably rancid. Let's go get the, I'm not going to wait the full 30 minutes because, yeah, here it is. All right. Something tells me this is not going to be bad. So let's go ahead and throw the, that smells good. I'm hoping this seaweed's not too old, you know, but. Doesn't smell like it's bad, but it could be. I'm probably risking it a little bit. Ah, yeah. I'm not sure. I'll let you know if this recipe's any good. Pour the rest of this over the top. I might have should have used the full sauce. Garnish with more scallions and toasted sesame seeds. Yeah, okay. More scallions and toasted sesame seeds. They actually use fresh scallions, so because I'm using, and I'm not using sesame seeds, so it may not be any good. Let's get some more scallions. My mother taught me that if you chop with green onions, they'll last forever in the freezer almost. So, here we go. Frozen. Probably not quite as good as using fresh scallions, of course. But, you know, I hate to waste food. So, let's see. I will be honest whether I like it or not. Like I said, I've never tried this before. I just had leftover wakame seed, and the recipe says to use kombu. So it may be this might be a total disaster, but just in case, it's a good. I will let you know. I don't think it's that unhealthy, except the seaweed's a little old. Let me go ahead and kind of toss it a little bit. See, the problem is I used to eat seaweed like medicine. Oh, my video's finished processing yet, but let me finish this. Haha. That's my blog, my walk video. Let's see. Okay, let's throw this over here. This can be like my breakfast for the next couple days, maybe. I did store the seaweed in the refrigerator, though. I'll say that much for it, so that helped. It wasn't like I left it outside. Let's see. More tofu. Okay. Final verdict. I will let you know. It needs sesame seeds. No, it's not bad though. And the recipe also called for kombu. Has a definite Japanese flavor to it. Not bad. Better than eating it plain. I'm thinking, what's it missing? You know what? It needs some pepper. I'm gonna add pepper. Yeah, it needs pepper. Let's see how it tastes now. Not bad. Yeah, that helps a little bit. Some pepper. What else does it need? That helps. Not bad. It needs a little bit more sesame. Actually, I think it's fine. I think when it marinates more, it'll be better. So it needed to marinate more. I didn't have any patience. Not bad. So, okay. I'm going to go ahead and publish this recipe, my modified version, at my website. Not bad. Yeah, I like it. The marinating is apparently important. I'll have to remember that. Not bad. Definite Japanese flavor to it. So if you don't like Japanese food, you won't like this. Good. I like it. All right. Okay. I like it. Made my own recipe. I just want to thank all of my patrons, and I love hanging out with you on our Friday night hangouts. And I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for your support.